everyone. In this tutorial, we are going to make this design inside Illustrator for our Konfiwear app. You will be provided with a folder containing the starter Illustrator file. Just open it inside Illustrator. Inside the file, you will see two boxes, one for the front and the other for the back. There is also a guideline inside the folder, one for the center line on each part for both the front and back. For our design, it's a simple structure with 3 sections, where the color changes based on the section. Inside Illustrator, start by locking the guideline layer so it doesn't get modified. Then begin by creating the first box in the center. One important thing to keep in mind is that strokes must be disabled because the app only recognizes the fill property, not the stroke. Now, for reference, we have 3 lines of the same size. Simply duplicate and move them, then change their colors as needed. You can choose any colors you like. In the Konfiwear app, we use a specific naming system that must be followed. If you want any part of your design to be recognized by the app and editable, you must name them correctly. For example, the background is named Primary. The next layer is Secondary, then we have Accent, followed by Accent 2 and Accent 3. The app allows changing up to 5 colors. To ensure the design appears correctly on both the front and back, either duplicate and move the elements directly to the back section, or extend the elements across both sections. Now let's move to the sleeves. They should have the same color, so they must be named with the same ID. In the starter file, you will see that they are already set under Secondary. For reference, you can assign the same color, but the app will recognize them by name, not color. Now we have Primary on yellow, Secondary Accent, Accent 2, and Accent 3. If you have side panels or additional sections, you can add designs by placing them inside the corresponding sections. At the end, remove any unnecessary elements, such as the guideline layer, as it was only for reference. Delete any sections that are not part of the design. Your design is now ready. The next step is to export it. Export the file as an SVG. Make sure to use Artboard so that only the visible design is exported and respect the canvas size of 2048 by 2048. Once your design is complete, you can export it for testing. To do this, go to File, then Export As and select PNG. This format allows you to preview the design inside our mockup system in the Konfiwear application. Now, connect to your account and import your image and set it to the material to check. If everything looks good, the design is ready to be used inside the app. Thank you.